The world is evolving. Developing IoT and CPS technologies are already shaking up industries around the world, creating efficiency and improving services while lowering costs. The postal industry is no different. Social Internet of Things technologies create a paradigm whereby connected elements within a system or cognitive logistics objects communicate automatically within a cognitive logistics framework. This has the potential to benefit planning, route optimization, capacity sensing, and many more aspects of postal logistics. A CLO is always aware of its status, enabling smart reactions in responses to contextual changes. Optimal solutions are automatically presented to agents and communicated across devices. The COG-LO project is developing a solution for the postal sector, which by taking a modular approach enables a more collaborative and cognitive utilization of postal infrastructure. COG-LO implements a fully decentralized network of postal resources, offering added security and greater potential for efficiency through AI. Actors cooperate in real time to optimize routes and deliver instructions to workers. State-of-the-art functionality delivered via COG-LO will take great strides towards the realization of Logistics 4.0 in the postal sector. Croatian Post and its partners are leading the charge worldwide in providing a modernized, efficient postal service for the future. So, what are the benefits at ground level? COG-LO will improve and expand same-day delivery, offer faster delivery overall, and reduce costs by working on principles of last-mile logistics. Behind the scenes, it's as simple as reacting to an event, checking available solutions, making the optimal decision, and implementing. For workers, this process will take place automatically, with the result delivered as a simple instruction via the connected smart device. COG-LO puts technology to work and passes the benefits to managers, employees, and ultimately the customers. An example to the world, a solution for all. Signed, sealed, delivered. COG-LO, making post smarter.